Here I am, bringing you news from North Carolina. All of Perryville had evacuated from their homes before the storm. The streets are so flooded with water that people have to boat to their destinations. A good lady volunteers to clean up all the debris from the storm. Back to you, Bob.
Wow, Cindy, what a great story. Here in New York, the storm is still going on, and there is a tornado warning. Residents of New York have gone down to their cellars for the night to be safe. Come on, darling, we have to go in the cellar. There's a tornado warning. Let's go. By the looks of it, the storm will last for 7 more hours. That's it for today, folks, but first a word from our sponsor. Quaker Life Cereal.